Welcome to Pekka's YouTube channel again. Today is 11th day, but yesterday my friend Heikki opened the thing I asked for him to open, so let's see what he got. Oh, it's an empty can. Oh, poor Heikki. He got dog bear. Too bad for him. But luckily it's 11, so time to open this. My turn. Oi, this breaks now. Okay, box inside a box. Let's see if I get this out. Yes, I got the out here. What we have? Homicidal puppet help desk. Barrel aged rye barley wine. Okay, strong beer. In a box. This was a surprise to have a box inside a box. But very nice. Anyway, here is the text. Yes. Cool. Nice box. Today was a good day and see you tomorrow again.